Track 14, Promoting Continuous Improvement. Creativity in problem-solving promotes continuous improvement. When individuals adopt a creative approach, they are not simply looking for one-time solutions but are instead constantly refining their methods and strategies. Creative problem solvers embrace trial and error, viewing mistakes as learning opportunities. This mindset encourages iteration, where ideas are continually improved upon, resulting in more efficient and effective solutions over time. In business, for example, continuous improvement through creativity can lead to better customer experiences, streamlined operations, and greater innovation. 1. Promote. 2. Continuous improvement. 3. Creativity. 4. Problem solving. 5. Individual. 6. Adopt. 7. Creative approach. 8. One time. 9. Solution. 10. Constantly. 11. Refine. 12. Method. 13. Strategy. 14. Problem solver. 15. Embrace. 16. Trial and error. 17. Mistake. 18. Learning opportunity. 19. Mindset. 20. Encourage. 21. Iteration. 22. Continually. 23. Improve. 24. Efficient. 25. Effective. 26. Overtime. 27. Business. 28. Customer experience. 29. Streamlined. 30. Innovation. 1. Promoting continuous improvement. 2. Creativity in problem solving. 3. Adopt a creative approach. 4. One-time solutions. 5. Constantly refining methods. 6. Refining strategies. 7. Embrace trial and error. 8. Mistakes as learning opportunities. 9. Encourages iteration. 10. Continually improved ideas. 11. Efficient and effective solutions. 12. Over time. 13. Better customer experiences. 14. Streamlined operations. 15. Greater innovation.